Well, howdy folks. Here in outdoor sporting, we love to fish, we love to play, we pray constantly. Some folks might take the city lights, the city sounds over getting a little dirty, loving God, but hunting is a way of life, and it's what we love to do. This is outdoor sporting.
Hello everybody, I hope you are doing good today. It's Friday, November something, 75 degrees. It's November, what is it? 7th. November 7th, give or take a couple days. We are deep in the heart of Texas. I decided to take some of the dirt bikes out and the four-wheeler, put the new Maxxis Zillas to the test down here at River Run near Jacksonville, Texas. And we're getting kind of close. It says we're about 22 minutes from our destination. Ought to be a pretty good time. Well, we finally made it to River Run. I think we left our house in Oklahoma at 11 o'clock around. 11:30. It is 4:35 in the afternoon. If you put it in GPS, it's supposed to only take 2 hours and 48 minutes to get here. Somehow we managed to make it take might near 6 hours.
Small bladders.
We did have to stop and pick up some waders. In Jacksonville, there's a little store, not a little store, but it's an outdoor post, outdoor sport, whatever. And it's called Gander, not it's Gander Mountain, or in Tyler, I'm sorry. In Tyler, Texas, it's called Gander. That place is awesome. I got lost in there on purpose.
Gander Outdoors, not Gander Mountain.
Yeah, Gander Outdoors, not Gander Mountain. But I found me some waders there, and they didn't have them in Oompa Loompa, so then we had to go down to the academy and find some for my wife. It's been quite an adventure. Like I said, 5 hours on the road. The old black goat got thirsty and we had to stop for gas. That turned into a nightmare because apparently they only make gas stations for
smart cars.
Yeah, smart cars and little two-door coupes. And that reminds me, if a chicken house had 4 doors, it'd be called a chicken sedan, not a chicken coop. You can take that, tell your friends, get a good laugh. But we're here. We're waiting for our buddies that we went and rode at the Mud Bog with. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go back and check it out. It is a lot of fun. We were riding this weekend with a little group. They're called the Mudd Junkyz. Mud's not really my ideal thing to do, but it's a lot of fun. You get to hang out with a lot of good people. Like you heard before, we don't even know what day it is, and that's the kind of life I like to live. But the weather is going to be beautiful all weekend. Mid upper 70s during the day. That's as hot as it's going to get. I think the coldest weather we're looking for this weekend is going to be 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's only going to get down to 55. So very, very bearable, especially whenever you're staying in a camper. So looking to have a lot of fun. I hope y'all enjoy the video. That car got attacked by a bear.
Bear attack.
I'm pretty sure it got attacked by a bear.
You take a paper and start a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Ups and downs, they are all my wind waves. I am flying through the sky and don't care about the haze. Oh, I'm honestly not tired of my pretty flight, and it's sad, I know it will be over sometime. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Ah, thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to fly, but forgot that I should land? I'm a paper.
Alright guys, we have finally made it back home. I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. We had an absolute blast riding with those guys. I want to thank Mudd Junkyz for letting us tag along with them this weekend. Got to put the 570 to the test, and it did pretty good for the stuff that we got it in. It got into some sticky situations that it ain't ever seen before, so just overall had a real good time. Got to get the dirt bikes out and play around a little bit. Just a good, crazy bunch of guys. I don't know, just had a really, really good time.
And lots of mud.
There's lots of mud. If you're ever down in central East Texas and you have a chance to check out River Run near Jacksonville, I definitely advise giving it a shot. It is a lot of fun. But we are pulling up and we have a lot to unload and get ready. It's late, we're tired, sweaty, muddy. So this is going to wrap it up for the video. Thank y'all for watching.